Let's see. Let's see if I can play this next part without messing up. Alright, bridge pickup, tone zone. Let's see. These pickups get really good harmonics. Let's see. Let's do some classics. Let's see here. I just ruined all that, but it's okay. Just a sound test. Let's see. Some more stuff with the bridge. Always messed that up bad. Alright, and I guess some neck, PF Pro, that guy. Alright, let's see. Oh, there's a guitar though. Lighting's not the greatest on here. That is it. There's a headstock. Blue. Oh, back. All that. Alright. I have this really cool capacitor on here. I'm not sure which one it is, but it changes the sound dramatically. For example, here's the bridge pickup, you know? just nice, so just so you can see how it sounds. Now watch when I turn the tone down. Watch this. Hear how deep that got? Here, I'll turn it back on. Alright, watch. Alright, once again, back off. This is amazing. Just changed it completely, so it makes it really deep, so I can get like whatever kind of sound I want. And then, same thing with the neck. Here's the neck, regular. And then here it is with the tone, messed with. I just love it. I normally don't use tone, but that tone is just awesome. So here's a mix of the two. Let's see. I don't know what to play. Yeah, that's really all there is.